Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly access and embed Spotify directly on your WordPress website. Whether you want to share playlists, albums, or podcasts, this guide will have you set up in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to the WordPress homepage. Click on the login option at the top right. For a super quick login, choose Continue with Google and select the Google account you normally use to manage your website. This keeps things fast and hassle-free. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. Here, look for the Quick Links section and click on Edit Site. This will take you directly to your site editor where you can make changes to your website instantly. Enter the site editor and add a block. Next, choose the website you want to edit if you have multiple sites. In the editor, click the plus icon in the top left corner to access all the block options. This is where you can add new content to your pages. Add the Spotify embed in the block search bar. Type Spotify embed and select the option that appears. This creates a dedicated space on your page for your Spotify content. You'll see a field where you can paste your Spotify URL, connect your Spotify account. Go to Spotify, copy the link of the playlist, album, or podcast you want to share, and paste it into the field. Then click Embed. Boom! Your Spotify content is now linked to your WordPress page, ready for your visitors to enjoy. Save changes. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button in the top right corner. This ensures all your changes are published and live on your website. And that's it! You've successfully embedded Spotify into your WordPress site in just a few simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.